my shirt before she leave, I'ma need my shirt back.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see already, today I'll be installing a wig. Before we go ahead and continue with this video, I do want to clarify that I am beginner friendly. This is actually my first time by myself installing a wig, so please bear with me. I just want to give a special shout out to Ali Grace Hair for letting us promote their wigs. I'm just going to give a little hair info about this wig that I'm going to be installing today. So this is a curly wig. Obviously it's a 13x4, it's 150% density, and it is a 24-inch wig. Now this is my first curly wig, and I do want to say I had a great experience with this hair. It had no shedding, it didn't smell, it was just good quality overall, and I really do recommend it for anyone that wants a curly wig. Now if you go to their site, they have many other wigs that you can buy. Yeah, this is just one of the wigs they sent us, so I really do recommend it, and just keep watching. Now here I bleached the knots. I did over bleach them, but it's fine. At the end you can't really tell that it's over bleached, so yeah.
When she in the mall, masking the massacre, while she that time until the last thing mine, you got potential.
Dude, I will literally not answer you.
I was hungry, I was broke, I had no money, hella broke. Get off my ass, fucking get.
I don't know if I'm gonna just talk or do a voiceover, or maybe I'll do both. But this is my second time doing a wig. The first time was really hard to do. Well, first of all, I had Aubrey's help. This time I'm not gonna have Aubrey's help. I'm pretty scared, ain't gonna lie, I might mess up. Y'all know it's my second time doing this, so I'm still beginner friendly, of course. But yeah, so bear with me, because sometimes I do not know what I'm doing. I'm watching the YouTube video at the same time. So yeah, I'm kind of scared. But we gonna do this. We gonna do this. Okay. Let me just. I don't care. Oh shoot. Okay. I'm gonna listen to music. But this makeup is just too bright. Like, it's not even dark. I need like darker makeup. Like, I'm gonna get mad. This makeup is way too. It's way too like bright. This is not my scalp color. Y'all can even see. Like, look. This is not my color. Ugh. You said, who's it? Guys, this is definitely not my scalp color. It's giving very bootleg. It's giving very fake. And y'all know I don't wear makeup, so I'm not gonna have no makeup just sitting around, you know? So yeah, that sucks. Let me try to blend it in some more. I ain't do nothing. Like, look at this. so I'm gonna take this off. Hopefully it's melted or whatever y'all want to call it, because it's been on her for a good almost 20 minutes, 16 minutes to be exact. I'm trying to find my scrunchie. No, right here. That's how you fix that. And I'm so scared, like, no. Now the next step I have to do is cut the lace, and then I'm gonna do my edges. And I don't really know how I'm gonna do the edges yet, but so I didn't want, because last time y'all know when I did the wig, like it was a little bit too much up on the forehead. So yeah, that was my goal. Like I'll try, hold on. But yeah, so that was like my goal, was to not try to put it too high, low on my forehead I mean. So I'm finna be looking in this mirror, so wait, first I'm gonna just cut it straight because this is too much lace to work with. Mind you, this is my second install, so I'm still learning. I really need to get better at plucking and a whole bunch of other stuff. But I'm finna go ahead and end out the video right here because this camera's finna die. Overall, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Let me tell y'all, first of all, this hair was like really good. This hair was top notch, no smell, like barely no shedding, only when I like plucked, well, attempted to pluck. It's just some good hair, y'all. I really recommend this company for y'all. Don't grill me, y'all. Don't grill me in the comments, but don't knock it till you try it. This stuff is really hard. Like, this stuff is really hard to install, I ain't gonna lie. But I just can't wait till it dries. So I'm probably recording how it looks tomorrow morning because I'm finna take my butt to sleep because it's currently 3:15 in the morning. And yeah. But yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow social media to be on the screen and down below. And comment if you want more videos like this of me installing or attempting to. And Aubrey's gonna do some too, but she didn't want a wig, so that's why she's not in this video. But I think we're gonna have another video coming up when we both have 2 wigs. Maybe, because sometimes I don't even be feeling like throwing on these wigs because I don't know how to do them correctly. But I be trying. But yeah, y'all.